If you thought I forgot about you, Instagram, I did not. I love you, but I love Facebook too. And soon I'll be going live on both, but for now I have to rotate. But I wanted to tell you guys about the buy one, get one free lip kit because it's literally amazing. We'll have your favorite colors in it. It's, I think, $59.90, so right at $60, but you get a whole nother one for free. So here's what I'm thinking. Mother and mother-in-law, or buy one for you, get one for your mom. Because Mother's Day is coming, right? So you are going to get these 6 products. So for $60, you're getting 6 products, $10 each. I don't think is terrible for liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, lip plumper, lip conditioner, like all the things, right? Plus, they're in amazing colors. They didn't put things in this kit that are like, they don't sell. No, these are, I really don't know why Instagram doesn't like my Wi-Fi. I don't know why, but I have to turn it off every time. So, every day, this is my process when I start, before I even start my skincare, I put this on. This is a lip conditioner. I use it morning and night. So before I use any of my lip products, and then at night, before I go to bed, I want my lips soft, looking good. I don't want them all chapped. Here recently, I used this lip oil from BoxyCharm, and it literally destroyed my lips. I've had problems with them ever since, but this is helping to repair them. And then you have the lip plumper because, well, everybody wants a lip plumper, right? I saw the one on TikTok and I literally want to buy it because they said it hurt and it was painful, and that somehow prompted me to want to buy this product. I have no idea, but it was out of stock. So thank God, because I don't need pain in my life, right? But day and night, both of these, right? So in this kit for $59.90, you're getting the 6 lip products. You're already saving $20, but you're getting an entire set for free. Like, buy one and then you go to the cart and there's 2 in there. Yes, I'll take it. That's amazing, right? Okay, so then you get these 2 liquid lipsticks, okay? I want to swatch them for you so you can really see them because, ooh, they're gorgeous. If I'm going to put anything on my lips, I'm definitely going to take most of it off, okay? But look at that gorgeous color. That's amazing, right? And once it's on and it's dry, it's pretty transfer resistant. You've seen the video that Kayla and I did where she's trying to wash it off. I literally stopped her. I'm like, Kayla, stop. Stop trying to wash this. Let me get my camera because I need to video you trying to attempt to wash this off. That video where a hand is underwater and we're scrubbing it, that's Kayla's hand and I am videoing it. I saw that with my own eyes. Like literally soap and water wasn't getting these off. They're amazing, okay? And then you get a little bit of pink because, well, summertime is coming and it's amazing, okay? So then, look at that one. These are gorgeous, right? I think this is the one I want to wear today. I think. We'll see. But then, you get the 2 Miss Sparkle lip glosses. So these are a shimmer lip gloss. This is the one that you see me use all the time. I carry one in my purse. These are just a light color. Okay, but that shimmer, that's amazing, right? It's so pretty. A lot of days I just wear gloss because I love gloss and sparkle. But here's the really great thing is you can really mix and match these as well. So then this one, you get that little bit of pink. This just reminds me of summer and going to the pool and all the things. So you get a couple matte that are gorgeous colors. You get a couple glosses that are gorgeous colors. Plus you get the lip conditioner and the lip plumper. So here's what I do when I'm getting started in the morning. So I put this on and I'm going to do my full face. By the time I get done, this is pretty dry, right? I can put something over it. If I put a liquid lipstick over it right now, the liquid lipstick is not going to be that non-transferable, really amazing, stay all day kind of product, right? Because the lip plumper is going to break it down. Any gloss, you put this on and put this on over it, it's going to look amazing, but it won't last as long as if you just use this, right? Because glosses really aren't meant to last forever. I don't know. They just don't. But you can mix and match, do what you want. But I want to show you. So mine's probably not going to last all day. Let me grab a mirror. But I want to show you how gorgeous these colors are. You can see them on my hand. Oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. So I do take everything off because otherwise I want a thin layer because it's really pigmented. The color's going to show up. but I don't want it so thick that it's going to transfer, right? It's going to transfer anyway for me right now because I have this lip plumper on, but I love the wand because it has that doe foot applicator. It's so pretty, you guys. These things won't chap your lips. Look how pretty that is. And you guys, even if you wanted to, you could kind of combine both of these for an ombre look. That would be super fun. I would probably do this maybe on the outside and then the pink on the inside because it's the lighter color between the two. But it's so pretty. And then if you want to add a gloss, add a gloss. So you have lip care with your moisturizer and lip plumper. And then you have the 2 matte lipsticks and you have the 2 glosses. You guys, this kit is so fun. And literally for $60, you get 2 of them. You're paying $5 a product. I don't even know that you can go to like Dollar General or CVS and get a balm liquid lipstick that's not going to transfer or a lip plumper that's actually going to work for $5. I'm just throwing that out there. I don't know that you can do that. So grab this kit. It's only a BOGO today and tomorrow. I don't know what the dates are, but what, the 27th and 28th? Yes. So Tuesday and Wednesday, those are the 2 days. So get it today or tomorrow, but get it. It is while supplies last, so I can't guarantee that it will still be available tomorrow, but I'm hoping that it is. But this is the pink. It's so gorgeous. Okay, I love you guys. I'm going to jump off here. But if you have any questions, let me know. And if there's anything that you want me to show you how to do, any specific tutorials, let me know and I'm willing to come on here and do whatever it is you want. I want to please the people. Okay, so let me know what you want to see, but today, get the BOGO on this lip kit because it's incredible. Okay, so I love you guys and I will see you guys later.